Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2013 Toyota Matrix XRS in this gorgeous classic silver metallic color. This front wheel drive 4-door 5-passenger hatchback comes equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with variable valve timing, and that's mounted to a 5-speed manual transmission. Starting on the exterior with some of the notable features, you've got a very sleek and compact design to this vehicle. As you come around to the side, you'll notice the 16-inch steel rims that the vehicle currently rides on with those nice Toyota hubcaps, and those are wrapped in the Attrezzo tires, which as you can see have lots and lots of tread. As we continue down the vehicle, you'll notice the black mirror caps, as well as the great looking side profile. And up top there, you've also got the crossbar support there for some additional storage if you choose to do so. And you've also got the roof mounted antenna. And in back here, you'll find a rear windshield wiper, as well as of course the Matrix badging, and you got an overall very sleek design. This affordable ride is absolutely perfect for somebody who's looking for a little bit of utility and sportiness combined in one vehicle. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at the interior features. Hopping inside this Matrix is nice and easy. Simply hit the unlock button on the key and you'll be inside. Opening up the door, you're greeted with this gorgeous black fabric seating. Very, very comfortable and plush. And you've also got a very nice design in the center of the seat there with the little blue accents. And of course, just below the driver's seat, you will find the manual seat adjustments. If you take a look in the footwell there, you'll find the Toyota branded all-weather mats, which make them nice and easy to clean, regardless of how dirty or wet they get. And of course, you've also got the gas cap release. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at some of the interior features. The features inside this Matrix start over here on the driver's side door panel with the controls for your power windows and locks. And as an added bonus, your driver's side window is automatic down. Underneath there, you do have a little bit of extra storage in the door panel, as well as an extra cup holder, and you've also got the speaker integrated in there as well. Just to the right of the door panel, you'll find the button to toggle your traction control on and off. And just below, you've got a little storage compartment, which would be perfect for coins or something like that. Above, you'll find the controls for your power mirrors, and if you take a look under the steering column there, you'll find the manual adjustment for your tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so you can get it in the perfect position. Speaking of the steering wheel here, you've got a very sporty design, including a couple of bolsters up top to give it a nice ergonomic feel, and on the bottom here, you've got a nice flat design. This all reflects the sportiness of this vehicle. Even though it's only got that 1.8 liter engine, it does have the variable valve timing, and it's quite peppy, especially when combined with that 5-speed manual transmission. On the left-hand side of the wheel here, you've also got the audio controls, including your volume up, volume down, and track selector buttons. And on the bottom there, you've got the audio mode button. On the right-hand side, you'll find the cruise control stalk, which is a very nice feature for those long-haul drives. If you take a look at the gauge cluster here, you'll find a very nice design. It's got a nice depth to it with that silver piece that sticks out. And of course, you'll also find the exterior temperature here, as well as the odometer, and you can see that this vehicle currently has 143,906 kilometers on it. If you take a look in the center of the dash here, you'll find the hazard lights up top, as well as a climate vent just to the left here. And you've also got the passenger airbag warning. Then you've got your media unit, and in terms of audio options, you do have your standard AM/FM radio, and you've also got a USB and auxiliary input, which is a very nice feature to have. You'll also notice you've got the Bluetooth hands-free calling buttons on the right-hand side here, and you've also got the text button. So if you have your phone hooked up via Bluetooth, you'll be able to access those options as well. Just below there, we've got the climate controls for the vehicle, and this is a single-zone climate control vehicle, though it does come with the air conditioning for those hot summer days, and you've also got the heated mirrors for those cold winter days. As we continue down, you've got a little clock there, and then you've got your shifter integrated right into the center stack here, which is a very nice design. And you can see it's that nice 5-speed manual, and to put it in reverse, just all the way over and to the right. Just below there, we've got a 12-volt outlet, as well as the USB and auxiliary input that I mentioned, and you've also got a little storage compartment here. As we continue down, you've got a couple of cup holders there, and then you got this nice armrest in the center here, and of course you can open that up to reveal your center console, and you got a nice carpeted bottom there. Take a look in the passenger side footwell, you'll find the same great all-weather mats, and just above you've got your standard glove box with lots of storage inside, and you'll also find a handy little tray up top here for some smaller items. Helps to keep things organized. If we take a look at the passenger side door panel there, you'll find the same great design as we found on the driver's side, as well as of course the controls for the power locks and the passenger side window. Finally, if we take a look up top here, you do have the interior lights, which are just one click on and off. So let's go ahead and hop out and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this vehicle. In the rear of this vehicle, you'll find more of that same incredible black fabric seating that we found in the front with that nice design in the center of the seat. You'll also find a surprising amount of legroom for your rear passengers. Even if your front seats are pushed all the way back, you'll still have lots of legroom, and you've got those same great all-leather mats. You've also got a handy little fold-out cup holder set here for your rear passengers, and of course you can fold that away and hide it and give it a nice clean look when you're not using it. These seats also do fold down in a 60-40 split. If you have some additional cargo to store, simply grab the latch up top here, and that seat will fold forward, revealing your cargo area. So we'll go ahead and take a look back there, but before we do, we'll take a quick glance at the rear door panel. You'll find the same great design as we found in the front, as well as, of course, the switch for the rear windows, and a little cup holder underneath. So let's go ahead and pop the hatch and take a look in back. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the amount of cargo space. And you've also got that nice cargo protector here. It's a nice hard plastic, so anything that you put back here won't damage it at all. And underneath there, of course, you do have the spare tire, as well as the tools to change it if you ever get a flat. And you can also lock that down if you choose to do so. Back here, you'll also find a couple of little hooks, which is a nice feature if you have something to hang up. That concludes this short video walk around, but this affordable ride will not last long, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leadhead Road, or visit us online at kelownatoyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.